Welcome to another powerful episode from G8P, where we dive into the most pressing issues facing B2B marketers in manufacturing. Hi, I'm Chris Peer, founder and CEO of G8P, a marketing consulting firm specializing in helping manufacturers to achieve an ROI on their marketing spend. And this video is about pillar number 5, the almighty website. So most companies have what I would call for their website an online brochure. And in this particular chapter, we're going to talk about how to turn your online brochure into a lead generation machine. In this chapter, we're going to show you the 8 core objectives of an ROI-driven website. And we're going to provide you with information such as how many pages your website should be or how big it should be, the key technologies, the key features and functions, and all the components needed for success. We're going to walk you through how to integrate your value proposition and messaging for lead generation and how to get more leads from your website while you sleep. So if your website is not driving the leads that you desire, it's time to get serious about your website strategy. Go to our website and buy our book, The Great 8 Pillars of ROI-Driven Marketing for Scaling Manufacturing Companies, and also take our diagnostic assessment. This 5 to 10 minute assessment is going to deep dive into your entire marketing operation, including your website, providing you with a report on what you're doing well and where you need to improve. Thanks.